Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the Genesis G60, a car that's set to redefine luxury and performance in the modern automotive landscape. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, exceptional design, and thrilling driving experiences, stick around, because this car has it all. The Genesis G60 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It combines sleek, futuristic aesthetics with the power and performance enthusiasts crave. From the first look, the G60 captivates with its bold front grille, distinctive LED lighting, and aerodynamic curves that hint at the speed and precision waiting under the hood. This isn't just about looks though. Every detail has been carefully crafted to improve performance and efficiency, making the G60 a leader in its class. Let's start with the heart of the G60, the engine. This vehicle offers multiple powertrains to cater to different drivers. Whether you're looking for a high-performance electric model or a robust internal combustion engine, the G60 delivers. With impressive acceleration and smooth handling, this car ensures every drive is an unforgettable experience. The advanced suspension system and intelligent drive modes adapt seamlessly to any road condition, giving Genesis G60 behind the sanctuary of luxury. Premium materials like fine leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable accents create a space that feels both modern and timeless. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a stunning infotainment display that's as intuitive as it is beautiful. Every button, dial, and surface has been designed with care, offering both functionality and elegance. Of course, technology takes center stage in the G60. Genesis has packed this car with advanced features to enhance safety, connectivity, and convenience. The driver assistance systems are cutting edge, with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera that makes parking a breeze. Purple loved the G60. For those who love staying connected, the G60 offers wireless charging, seamless smartphone integration, and even an AI-powered voice assistant that responds to your commands. Apart is how it balances luxury with sustainability. Genesis is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, and the G60 reflects this ethos, with eco-friendly manufacturing processes and materials. For the electric models, the charging capabilities are fast and efficient, ensuring you spend more time on the road and less time waiting. Driving the G60 is an experience like no other. The steering is precise, the acceleration is exhilarating, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking a weekend road trip, the G60 makes every journey special. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the Genesis G60, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about this car. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.